friends, what's up? This is Arcade from 360 Reader. Right now I'm going to show how to enable Type Siri on iPhone and iPad. One of the common complaints about Siri is the vocal component. Speaking to Siri must be done verbally, which can be embarrassing and inconvenient in social situations. Tap to Siri is a function designed for those who are unable to speak, but it can be enabled by anyone who would like to try typing to Siri instead of speaking to Siri. So if you would rather prefer to type the command than speak while conversing with Siri, let me show you how to enable Tap to Siri on iPhone and iPad. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First off, launch Settings app on iPhone or iPad. Now choose Accessibility. After that, scroll down to the bottom and select Siri. Finally, all you have to do is turn on the toggle right next to Tap to Siri. With Tap to Siri enabled, when the home button or the side button is pressed to activate Siri, it brings up the keyboard and an option to type a command to Siri. Typed Siri commands work just like spoken Siri commands. Siri will respond to questions like what's the weather or what movies are playing nearby. It's worth noting that when you have Tap to Siri turned on, it's an all or nothing setting. All commands must be typed if you access Siri through the home button or side button. If you say "Hey Siri," though, Siri will respond to spoken questions as normal, so you can use spoken commands alongside typed commands. In this way, Siri will respond to voice commands when the AirPods are connected and the personal assistant is activated, either via tap on the AirPods or by saying "Hey Siri" hands-free on AirPods. That's pretty much it. So that's the way you can enable Tap to Siri on your iPhone or iPad. If you have found this guide helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such helpful tips and tricks. Till then, have a great time. Bye bye.